What's up, my Pack a Punch crew? Today I'll be cooking sushi for you. This is one of my favorite dishes to eat and is of Japanese origin. I'll give it a go, and if you're wondering what ingredients you need, let's take a look. So the sushi rice can be bought in most supermarkets. You can get sushi rice or short grain rice, it's totally up to you. Just make sure you clean the rice and get rid of all the starch, because we don't want it to stick together or be really clumpy. We want each grain separated. I'll be cooking 200 grams for a maximum of 20 minutes. You can check it by stirring, and if it's dry, it's cooked. So as you can see, that's my bamboo mat that will support the rolling, and the cling film will also stop the rice from sticking to the bamboo mat. Cucumber will be one of our key ingredients, and we will get rid of the seeds because we don't want our sushi to be wet. Cucumbers are 95% water. I'll show you how to get rid of all the seeds to ensure the sushi remains dry. I'll be using seaweed sheets for rolling, and when you touch the rice, make sure your hands are wet because you don't want the rice to stick to your hands. You want to ensure the same for your knife. Run it under the tap because you don't want any of the food to stick to it. The seaweed sheets have two sides, a rough side and a smooth side. We want to use the rough side on the inside of the sheet to ensure that the rice sticks to it. be honest with you, that sushi was delicious. I thought I was in an actual Japanese restaurant. Anyway, try it yourself. It's easy enough to make and the ingredients are easy to buy. You can use different stuffings. You don't necessarily have to use salmon. You can use crab. You don't even have to use fish if you don't want to. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video. You know what I'm about to ask you to do next. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe. Share too. Make sure you like.